Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video, I'll be showing you some cool tips and tricks for this amazing device, Xiaomi's Mi A3. Now, this is a pure Android smartphone, but the same device has been launched in China with the name Xiaomi CC9e. But the only difference is that CC9e is running the Xiaomi's MIUI version, but this smartphone is running the Google's pure Android software, so no skin on this. If you'd like to see the unboxing for the same device, you can click over here to see the link for my unboxing video of the same device. In this video, I'll be talking about some cool tips and tricks how to use this device. So let's start the video, but before I start, kindly subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so you will get notified every time I post a new video. So when you press and hold the screen, you get home screen setting option. Click on that. Now here is an option of allow home screen rotation. Click on that and come back to the home screen. Now when you rotate the device, you will have your home screen setting in the rotation mode. Another tip is about the camera. It's 48 megapixel rear camera, but when you're taking the normal photos, it's taking in 12 megapixel camera by default. How you can enable the 48 megapixel, you can just go to the Pro mode option, and here you will see a small option of 48 megapixel. Just click on that. Now 48 megapixel camera has been enabled. Click again, 48 megapixel is off. So by turning this option, you can take 48 megapixel pictures, but you need to go in the Pro mode and turn it on. By default, the battery percentage of this device is not showing, but you can enable it by going to the settings, go to battery, now click on battery percentage. Now you will have the battery icon as well as the percentage signal on. Also in Android 9, for pure Android smartphones, you have the adaptive battery option. So what this option will do is it will limit the battery for applications which you don't use very often and save your battery life a lot. So this is a good option by Google. Also, if you want to see how your smartphone battery is behaving for weeks time or months time, you can click on the three dot and click on battery usage. It will give you a graph. As you can see, I have just started using the phone, but this will give you a detailed report of the device, how you're using it and which application you're using more and how to save your battery life. So another cool tip is about the display. You can enable the night light option from the display settings, or you can just go to the navigation bar and choose the option of night light. Now this will save you a lot of eye fatigue if you're reading something or watching a movie or something on your device, especially at night time. Usually the device will sleep after 1 minute of inactivity, but if you want to save more battery life, you can choose 30 seconds or as you like. The device has 4000 mAh battery. If you want, you can choose 30 minutes also. It can easily last you at least for 1 day. And also, you saw in my previous tip how to rotate the home screen. In the display setting, you also have an auto rotate screen option. So when you turn it on, you can rotate the display settings or any menu in the smartphone. The smartphone also comes with a magnification mode. You can go to the accessibility settings and enable it from here. So when you triple tap the device, it will zoom the device. You can pinch in and out to zoom more or less as per your liking. Tapping thrice again will take you to the default mode. There is another cool option here. When you triple tap and hold, it will temporarily zoom your device so you can check everything, and once you leave the device, it will take you back to the home screen. This is good if you're reading a small text or something. It can be very handy to find out the detail of the text. Also, this can be very handy for people who are a little bit old age. You can choose the high contrast text, so all the text in the device will become more crisp and more bold. The performance in this device is not bad, but suppose you want the device to be extremely fast, you have an option. You can go to accessibility settings. There's an option to remove animation. You can click on that. Now the device will be extremely fast because there is no animation in the device. But again, it looks a little bit awkward without any animation. So you can choose the option remove animation if you feel your device is slow. But I prefer with the animation because it looks more smoother in the eyes. You can double click on the power button to go to the camera settings. How to enable that? Go to system, go to gestures. By default, this is turn on jump to camera. You can enable or disable as per your liking. Also in the system setting, go to advanced option. Now here you have multiple user option. Basically, what does it do? Suppose in case you want to give this device to one of your family member or one of your friends and you don't want them to see any of your details, all you can do is enable the guest mode and give them the device. So now the device will switch to the guest mode, and now this is a guest mode, is like clean, there is no application installed. Now any of your friend is using the device will not be able to access the admin mode, because to go back to the admin, it will need your biometric or fingerprint or your Face ID settings. So they can use the device, but they will never be able to access your emails or your messages or any private information. So now you are in the guest mode. When you remove the guest mode, you need to have. So if somebody is using the device, they cannot access your information, because when you remove the guest mode, it will ask for the fingerprint scanner to authenticate. Then only you can go to the owner mode. So this is something cool. And also, suppose if you have 2 WhatsApp account, you can use one WhatsApp in owner account and one WhatsApp in guest account. And the guest account WhatsApp only you can use. You will not even get any notification. Whenever you want to use it, you can just open the guest mode and use it. So this is another cool feature. And not to mention, you can even add another guest. So it's not just limited to one guest. Also, one of the coolest feature in Android 9 or in general for Android is the split screen multitasking. The display of this device is 6-inch, which is not very big nowadays. But still, if you want to use split screen multitasking, you just go to the app tray and you can press and hold on the top of any application. It will give you 2 options, application info or split screen. Choose split screen and choose another application. Now you can use Google Play or messages on the split screen. Not to mention, you can also use it diagonally. In the rotate mode, you see the small icon. So it can be used in the portrait mode or in the rotation mode. Now this has been one of the strengths of Android for a long time, the split screen multitasking. And to go back to the single application, you can just swipe up. So that's all for this video, guys. I hope you enjoy the video. These are some of the cool tips to use Mi A3, which is an awesome device by Xiaomi. And the best thing about this device, it will get 2 years of guaranteed update by Google, security patches for 3 years. So triple camera setup, solid build quality, AMOLED display. Even though the display is 720p, but still it's pretty okay for this kind of price. I think it's pure value for money. And there is a front camera of 32 megapixel, Snapdragon 665 and dual SIM card support. So this is again a great option by Xiaomi in the recent time. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please give thumbs up. It really means a lot to me. And kindly subscribe to my channel. It encourages me to make more videos in future. Hope to see you soon in my next video. Till then, goodbye and peace out. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will really appreciate that. Also click on the notification icon, the bell icon, so you'll constantly get updated with my new videos. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.